Tine Maswati siyanemukela nonke Tine Maswati ngenfokozo neluthango.
It's your favorite time of the day, and that is when we get to visit different places in the Kingdom of Swaziland, introducing you to places that could give you memories and more. It's Buhle Betfu time. Mbukeli Buhle Betfu buhambisana na Swaziland Tourism Authority kanti sikhuthata kwakuthi wati live lakho kabandi ubona netindzawo letingachaza kuleli. Mbukeli nginompumelelo kaDlamini Sibongolo kana ngithathe leli thuba mbukele ukubingelela ngiphinze ngwemukele ehlelweni naselangeni lanamuhla. Namhla ke mbukeli sitawuqala edolobheni laseMbabane ehotela lelinemlandvo kakhulukati lapha Venila Kangwane iMountain Inn. Angathatha isikhathi sakho ke mbukeli asesibone ukuthi nakukhulunywa ngeMountain Inn kusuke kukhulunywa ngani. Mountain Inn is the preferred choice of hotel for comfort, convenience, and information networking. Swaziland's most private hotel is found only 3 kilometers from the kingdom's capital city. It's a preferred, proficient, and family-run establishment which offers so much for those fun lovers who still want to be just around the city center.
The ringing of your laughter, it sounds like a melody. Towards forbidden places, we'll go further, go further.
We're a family-run business. My father started the business. We moved from Big Ben to Mbabane in 1975. My brother and I are the second generation running the business. So the Ward family, there's always a Ward around all the time to pay attention to the customer, pay attention to his requirements, and we try and make it as a focal point that we will be on the property anytime that there is a problem, that we are around to help sort out those problems. So we hope that we provide a very good service. We hope we provide a service that the customers like.
The Mountain Inn offers different types of accommodation made to suit your needs, from double rooms and honeymoon suites designed for just your perfect holiday.
We have 52 bedrooms, which is the main business of any hotel. And then there's a restaurant. We have 5 different conference rooms. There's a bar that has a very strong patronage. We have these very pleasant surroundings here. So it's very, very pleasant to sit out here and just enjoy the peace and quiet and have a meal or a drink at the same time.
It also offers fully furnished meeting and conference facilities for all sorts of occasions, from weddings, parties, and meetings. Their restaurant offers superb and mouth-watering cuisines to suit your preferred diet. All this is found within the breathtaking views embracing the space and magnificence of the Ezulwini Valley.
Staying up with the times is the hardest part of the business. And then just keeping the infrastructure up to date and everything. One of the main issues in our business today is the information or technological gains that are made in the marketplace. And internet is a huge problem at the moment in Swaziland. and the cost thereof is huge as well. But mainly just to stay up with the times and provide the guest with what he needs and what he expects to need, because he expects to get in Swaziland what he expects to get in Durban, Hong Kong or London. It's the same. The biggest secret is to be interested and passionate about your food. That's the first thing. The second thing is to stretch yourself. In other words, keep trying to stay up with the trends. In the last 20 years, cooking technology has changed phenomenally. Really, it's shot off. And the other secret, as far as day-to-day management is concerned, is we expect our managers to taste the food and comment on it. So if there's any problem, we hopefully will pick up the problem before it gets to the customer. I guess at the end of the day, because we're a family, because we have taken the attitude of family, and we've tried to engender that into the staff as well, that it's all part of the family. And you know, when you take somebody at 22, 23 years old, and he works for you for 20 years, then you start to see he needs to build a house, he gets married, he has children, he becomes part of your family. So you have to embrace that and be part of it. You can't just cut it off and leave it to one side. You actually have to not participate, but be part of it in one way or another. And very often the philosophies that you put into place in the workplace are taken home. And with the realization of that, you try and make sure that your decisions are right on a day-to-day basis. At the moment, my brother and I, we're putting the hotel through a phase of renovation and a phase of renewal is the best way to describe it. We're in the process of adding a new deck to the front of the hotel. We've refurbished the swimming pools, and we are going room by room by refurbishing the bedrooms at the present moment. There's a few other development plans, and we understand there's competition coming in the marketplace in the form of the Hilton that's being built in town. So we need to know that we're keeping pace with what the market demands, and we're looking at everything as we go. And there'll be some surprises, I'm sure, as we go.
Lenhle kembukeli kwadi ukuthi lenza lesikha ivakashi letibuya mhlaba wonke jikelele yaqala isibhedlela kanzi yaye ngekudlondlobala lokunamhla ilihotela lelihla nakangaka.
Maswati siyanemukela nonke, thine Maswati ngemfokozo neluthando, Maswati siyanemukela nonke, thine Maswati ngemfokozo neluthando.
Asiphinde sikwemukeleke mbukeli ehlelweni lakho lelithi buhle bethu. Simukeleke nalabo labasanza kuhlanganyela nathi ehlelweni. Kanzi ke mbukeli namhla sibuke tatindzawo kumbe letikhona even la Kangwane netindvo letingakhanga tivakashi. Lokunye lokuyachaza tivakashi lesibanato kuleli mbukeli imisebenzi yetandla lethengiswako. Asasibone mbukeli ukuthi kuletindvo letikhona lapha even la Kangwane letithengiswako kumbe letifaka ikhathi imisebenzi yetandla tivakashi letingatfokota ukuthi tibiyele nato emakhaya kungaba yini.
Ngwakakashiki Sibongo. Ngikusebenza sibase la eMandenga Craft Center eZulwini. Shothi lesikwendako sine sakha ijewelry. But ijewelry nayo ihlukahlukene kaningi sine senda handmade jewelry. Lo usho ukuthi lo msebenzi wethu siwakha ngetandla. Asisebenzise kakhulu imishini ngoba ukhanze ukuthi labanye sebasebenzisa kakhulu imishini. Kanze ukuthi se bamvula batawukhicita lo msebenzi kanze ukuthi batawa bancane so thina senda i-handmade jewelry.
Even though my eyes I don't want another partner. So
Njengoba uliva leli gama lalengapani i-Express Jewelers. Nasayicala besiyibita ngokuthi iSwazi Silversmith. Bezama lokuthi bamfu babe aware ukuthi lo msebenzi wenziwa ngemaswati. So ngaleyo ndlela sabona kuhle ukuthi sicashe lamaswati kube ngiwo la khicitha lo msebenzi. Uyabona? Sasendani lapho ngekona lokho sizama lokho ukuthi si promote lo msebenzi ngoba akusiyo imvo lengathi I trade le popular la kaNgwane. So sizama lokuthi sizame lokuthi siwugcamise lo msebenzi la kaNgwane. Lo bucwebe lesibendako kuhlukene kabili. Ikhona le range lesinayo vele lelethengwa kakhulu ngilaba bekuhamba labachamuka lengeshe. Bese sesiba nale range lethengwa ngilaba bala kaNgwane. Emaswati kakhulu athenga igold. Igold yefu lesinayo kakhulu ngilama ring emshado. Vele emaswati asupporta kakhulu ngoba emasomvo azama lokho ukuthi aqhuqutele abantu ukuthi bashade. So kuleyo lelo hlangothi vele lama ring emshado ahamba kakhulu bese sekuba ngile tourist range lelethengwa kakhulu ngilaba bekuhamba kuba ngile silver kakhulu abayithenga kakhulu le gold leni ke isilver ishiphile la Africa lokuthi bangayithengi le gold igold yethu iphansana kancane leyabo igold inconywana naloko ukuthi ke bona nabetala lengeshe akugcwele kakhulu labo costume jewelry yabo letimvo le jewelry okhanza ukuthi seyigcama kakhulu sebakutayele lokho so nabetela Africa bafuna le African range ngiyo ke lesiyendako sine but sisebenzisa le silver bese nana kulesithi isetting sisetha ema ethnic products ngeneka kube ileather noma kube isigodfo noma kube igiraffe hair but ke sisebenzisa kakhulu lama ethnic products la tfolakala la Africa bese sesibhica nale silver na unganaka lo bucwebe lesibendako siya brand kune branding lesinayo lapha le brand yethu ithi Swazi style uyabona so le branding leyo nasi sizama lokuthi kucacile ukuthi lemvo vele yakhiwe la kaNgwane akhanzakali ukuthi lemvo nasi yakhala kaNgwane seyitawuphuma mhlawumbe sebayoyifaka bukhati lokunengana ngephandle sikwakhala kaNgwane sikupolishe sikuqedze phuma la kaNgwane seku ready vele ukuthi ngaya to the outside market.
Okay. Njenga Express Jewelers kuthi in the near future nikhanzani kuphi nine ngalokucwebe nibakhako
la ngingathanda ukusho ukuthi le business vele iyandindobala siyakhula ngoba na ubuka lokho ukuthi nasayicala le business besinebamvu laba ngephasi kwesihlanu nyalo sesikhulumela ukuthi we going for 15 employees lokushona ukuthi siyandlondlobala vele but so ngekusho njalo ngizama lokuthi ngicacise ukuthi vele le business iyakhula lengakusho kafishane na senda le marketing yethu la ngaphandle na steam market asivamisile lokho kusho ukuthi lama services yethu swahlukanisa kanjani ngawukhuluma nje ngalebo buta ngayo li customer nangabe ake sesithi khona mhlawumbe ngawubekisa ngering ngoba labaningi bathi ukuthi jewelry ukhuluma ngering ake sesithi une ring ofuna kuyakha i-design letsithe khona la uyibone khona uyakhona ukuthi udela kithi uthi hey emajawu yathi kune ring le kanje ngiyibone somewhere mhlawumbe nginesithombe ningakhona yini ngendlela siyakhona thina ukuthi sibone lesithombe bese sesiyakwakhela ngalendlela lephume ngayo la esithombeni bese ke sekubana nababamfu ake sesithi khona nje mhlawumbe uthenge ebucwebe somewhere else noma ngawubekisa ngayo yona leyo ring uthenge i-ring noma ngephandle kwalela kangwane ukhanze ukuthi noma sowududlile noma sowunqiphile noma seyiphukile leyo ring ufuna mhlawumbe ukuyilungisa siyakhona thina ukuthi sikulungisele within 30 minutes or nabe siphutile kuba 2 hours lokho kusho ukuthi kafishane i-service yethu it's instant siyakhona lokuthi i-ring yakho siyilungise ngaleso sikhathi nawe ilethe kithi business yethu it's tourist oriented nangayibeka isingisi so i-tourism authority vele esikhathini lesiningi ukhanze ukuthi kuba khona lapho basitha khona nasidinga lisito lenye ihlangothi nje labasitha kakhulu khona kunanational paper book labathi what's happening in Swaziland ngicabanga ukuthi paper book la kahulumende lelo so asidikhanze ukuthi mhlawumbe nasifuna ukuthi sithi market kulo le paper book asidikhanze ukuthi sidikhanza sesibhadala bo subscription njengalamanye ema marketing brochures so ngicabanga ukuthi kulelo hlangothi bayasitha kakhulu ngoba ukhanze ukuthi leti vakashi noma angakedi la kangwane lo muntu nakungendeka leli phepha liphumile kangwane umuntu lo lengeshe angakhona ukuthi abone ukuthi kangwane kwendekani ngaleyo ndlela siyamarketeka kwana nathi.
Okay, yini wishes ofisa ukuthi maybe can be improved in order ukuthi the tourism industry in Swaziland ukuthi ibe uplifted to the most highest standards.
Lokuyele bengakujabulela ukuthi nakwenekile mhlawumbe sifuna lisito lelithide nasifikile le kubobona laba baka tourism authority nabangazama basamukele ngetandla letivulekile nangayibeka kafishane njengokuthi ake sesithi mhlawumbe kuneli customer lelifikile la ukhanze ukuthi noma nabe lifuna ukuthenga timbo letiningi dawukhanza ukuthi ngidaba nenkinga ukuthi le timbo nginathumelela kanjani lengeshe ukhanze ukuthi lama cost sekaba sedude nangikhonile ukuthi ngaya tourism authority ngacela lisito lelitsite ngikuthumela maybe timbo tami letiningi nabangazama lokho ukuthi mhlambe kube nendlela yekuthi batawu subsidize in a way ukuthi kushiphe kancane ngaliyo ndlela.
Ibito lami ngingcolisile ngwaNkambule Makedlamini ngiganekise ezulwini enzaweni ekuthiwa nguMandenga Craft Center ngemva kweToyota seGables ngisebenza esitolo Bengoni Handicraft lapho sithengisa khona umsebenzi wetandla lo wakhiwa eGatseveni la Kangwane. Umsebenzi wetandla ngibona ngathi into lenhle kakhulu lengangenisa umnotho eveni la Kangwane. Ngibona ngathi umsebenzi lo shipile lo ngafundisa uvuka ekseni uhambe ufuna ematoho. Uvuka nje wenda umsebenzi wakho wetandla ubuye ungenise esitolo uthengise. Ngakwenda njalo ke sithola ivakashi letbuya ngaphandle kwelive. Ikakhulu labamhlophe bayawuthenga kakhulu umsebenzi wetandla bayawuthanda. Ngoba emaveni abo sekwabetele into letitigodo. Bafike ke bawuthanze nalaba bemaswati bayafika bona ke bafika kakhulu nakunemsebenzi itside emakhaya noma kunemithimba into leti kanjalo bathenga kakhulu into letakwe ngesigodo sibone into letakwe ngesigodo ade sinze tiyakhona lokugibela indiza but ithenga kakhulu naloku ngemayadi bayakuthenga kakhulu lokunye sikuthenga la eKangwane kuncane lokuchamba ngephandle ngoba kulesikhathi samanje sisibone seAfrika swaba live linye.
Ngikubali ukuthemba kwami kokuthi lokubonile namhla ehlelweni nawe ukutfokotela esibili kanti ke baye basho kona ukuthi lokungapheli kuyahlola. Njengoba sengifike khona phela emaphethelweni elihlelo lakho lelithi buhle bethu naselangeni lanamuhla. Uyati wena mbukeli ukuthi ngihlale ngikuthembisa ukuthi same time same place evikini lelitako ngidabe nginawe khona la ehlelweni lakho lelithi buhle bethu. Kanye lo mbukela ngufisela kona kubukela lokuhle nekufokotela okuhle etinhlelweni takho letilandzelako. Ngithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe nisaleni kahle.